Hi girls and boys, it's a new number of the week, and last week we learned the number 18 and we're going to be learning the number that is one more than 18. What is one more than 18 when we're counting? What comes next? Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Did you say 19? Very smart. The next number after 18, one more than 18, is 19. And you can see on my little number card here, it's a 1 and a 9. So let's practice writing 19 before we do a little bit of work. Let's have a look. I am going to use a pink pen because we're going to be talking about ice cream later and I love strawberry ice cream. So let's do the number 19. Where's my card? There it is, the number 19. First number of the number 19 is a number 1, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So big line down, we know that one. Oops, that's a little bit crooked. Let's do it again. Big line down, there we go. And the next number is a 9, nosy number 9. We do a number 9 with a magic C. We start at the top with a magic C, and then we helicopter up. And we helicopter a big line down again. 19, a 1 and a 9. Okay, let's get on with our worksheet. Let's see. Now, today I'm going to do something fun with you guys because we're going to do a worksheet on ice cream. I love ice cream, and I'm sure you do too. And what I want to do is just show you the 19 worksheet first because I've done it already. We've done this many times, this kind of worksheet, haven't we? So let me show you my worksheet. So if you haven't done yours already, you can do yours at home. Now I traced my 19 first, big line down. I did a magic C for the 9, helicoptered up and down. I did 19 lowercase i's, a little line and a little dot of a sprinkle on top. 19 i's, you can do whatever you want in there as you know. And I already did the detective work. So X out the numbers that aren't 19 and circle the 19s that you can see and then count them up. See if you get the same number as me. Down here, I did my 19 in my 10 frames and I did semicircles. Remember semicircles? I talked about those last week with the shapes. It's a big line along and then you do a big curve from one end to the other end, semicircles. So I've done 19 semicircles in a pattern. Red, red, yellow, yellow. Red, red, yellow, yellow, tongue-tied. And here are my 19 teddy bears in a different pattern. This is a kind of a trickier pattern. I did 1 red and then 3 yellow. Red, yellow, yellow, yellow. Red, yellow, yellow, yellow. Like that. But as you know, you can do any kind of pattern you want. And then on the back, I want you to practice writing 5 19s. You've got to practice these numbers for kindergarten, remember. So there's my worksheet already done. Now I'm going to put that to one side because we're going to do something fun. Like I said, we're going to do a worksheet on ice creams. And you have 2 worksheets. We're just going to do one, you and you have another worksheet that you can do yourselves. And we're talking about having one more scoop each time. One more, we're adding 1 to the number that you have in the first scoop. So it's the number that comes next, 1 more. We're going to do the worksheet that has legs 11 at the beginning of it. And that means that you have the worksheet that has number 8 to begin with. Okay, so you do that one yourselves. We're going to do legs 11. Let me show you something that I did so we can have a look and see what numbers come next. What is 1 more? So here's my very sunny sunshine chart. You see it? Now, it has all the numbers from 1 all the way up to 20 because that's all the numbers that we need to know for now for this worksheet. So let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's like a 10 frame, right? Let's do the next 10. After 10 comes legs 11. Legs 11 is 1 more than 10, okay? So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 in our second 10 frame. So we have 20 sunshines on there. How fun. Now, when it's hot and sunny, we would like to have some ice cream. And ice cream, of course, begins with the letter of the week. So perfect. So let's have a look at our worksheet. And of course, you are going to write your name at the top first. And let's have a look at the first ice cream scoop. So remember, we need one more because one more is always better, isn't it, when it comes to ice cream? So here's legs 11. Here's number 11. And what is one more than 11? What number comes after 11 when we're counting? Let's have a look at our chart. Okay, so here's our chart, and you can see there's legs 11. So what is one more than 11? When we're counting, what comes after 11? 10, 11, 12. 12. Very good. So that means one more than 11 is 12. So let's write 12, a 1 and 2, in that ice cream scoop. Good. Let's have a look at the next scoop. 14. A 1 and a 4 is 14. Good job. That's a 14. So let's have a look at our chart. Well, 14 is more than 12. So we need to move. We need to move my clipboard. So let's have a look. Can we find 14, 11, 12, 13, 14? And what number comes after 14? Can you see? Do you know what that number is? A 1 and a 5? 15. It's a 1 and a 5 is 15. A 15 is one more than 14. So let's put a 15 right here. There we go. 15 comes after 14. Good job. So let's have a look at the next scoop. Okay, we know this one, right? This is 10. A 1 and a 0 is 10. So what number comes after 10? When we're counting. When we're counting, one more than 10 is our friend legs 11. So let's write legs 11 next to this number 10 because 11 is one more than 10. 11 comes after 10 when we're counting. Good, so that's our first row of ice cream scoops. Let's have a look at the second row. We just wrote that number. We wrote the number 12, didn't we? So what number comes after 12 when we're counting? What's one more than 12? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is one more than 12, a 1 and a 3. So let's write 13 right here. 1 and a 3. 13 is one more than 12. Now let's move this up a bit so you guys can see. Our next scoop of ice cream has a number 8 in it. 8. What comes after 8 when we're counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nosy 9. Nosy 9 comes next. 9 is one more than 8, so let's put a 9 in that scoop. 9 comes after 8. Oh, and look, there's 9. What comes after 9 when we're counting? We just did 8. 8, 9. What comes after 9? 8, 9, 10. Good job, 10. Okay, now we've got a big one down here. Can you see? A 1 and an 8. We learnt this one last week. 18. A 1 and an 8 is 18. What comes after 18 when we're counting? What is one more than 18? It's our number of the week. Did you get it? It's 19. Let's have a look at our chart and make sure. Okay, let's move that down there so you can see all the numbers. So when we're counting, there's the number 18. You see it? And after 18 comes 19. So let's write 19 in this scoop. A 1 and a 9 on number of the week, 19. Good. Okay, well, this is a small one. What number comes after 5? Now, if you're 5, this is the number that you're going to turn your next birthday. What comes after 5? 6. Okay, let's put 6 in. Because 6 is one more than 5. Now look, here's our number of the week. We're finishing with our number of the week. What number comes after the number of the week? Do you remember all the sunshines I had here? And I said we're going to count all the way up to a big number. Can you see it on the board? Can you see? There's the 19. What number comes after 19? What is one more than 19? 20. Let's put 20 in there. 2 and a 0. 20 is one more than 19. So we've done really, really good sunshine counting, and we've done really, really good ice cream scooping, because we have done one more number, one more than the number in front. We've added one on, it's adding one more than 11 is 12. So very good job, guys. That's a really, 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 really tough kind of kindergarten kind of math. So I hope you had fun scooping ice cream. Maybe you can go and scoop some real ice cream and ask for one more, but ask politely. And don't forget, you have your own ice cream scooping to do yourselves when you have time. And if you need help, just ask Mum and Dad. They'll be able to help you. Okay? I hope you had fun scooping. And I am going to see you again soon. Let me move my sunshine so you can see everything. I'm going to see you later. Bye, boys and girls.